Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the essentials so nothing blocks recording later. First, update firmware and drivers. This prevents device conflicts. Then plug in camera, mic, and capture card and watch for device recognition. Once connected, open Video Kit and create a project with the target resolution and frame rate. Set each input source now so the app can assign them. This front-loading saves time and avoids redoing scene setups later, making the rest of the process smoother. Now you build the middle of your workflow where details matter. Create and order scenes, camera, screen, and B-roll, so switching is immediate. Next, set audio gains, enable a noise gate and light compression. Route each mic to its own track to avoid messy mixes. Add overlays, lower thirds, and color LUTs to match visual style, and enable chroma key for green screen work. Make sure to test transitions and keying on a short clip, so you catch problems before full recording. Finish by locking in the deliverable and preparing for errors. Start with a short test recording, review frame accuracy, audio sync, and transitions, and adjust as needed. When satisfied, record your session and export with the proper codec and preset for your platform, then create a project backup and archive raw media. If something goes wrong, say audio drifts, resync tracks, reduce buffer size, restart the capture devices, and inspect cables. These steps solve most timing or dropout problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.